The installation consists of the following basic modules. Reactor, thermal furnace, collecting basin for condensation water, cooling system, pressure reducing system, storage basin, filtering equipment, cracker, storage basin for final products. The process. The reactor is charged with the starting materials, locked hermetically, and inserted into the thermal furnace. There it is connected to the tubes of the following system. After the thermal furnace has been locked, the reaction process is started. When the necessary temperature has been reached, the materials within the reactor are gasified. The gas is then conducted through the connected tubes into the cooling system, and from there into the pressure reducing system where it condenses, to finally reach the provided storage basin as oil. Resulting condensation water will be let off previously into a collecting basin. Because it is a closed system, escaping tail gases from the storage basin are conducted through filtering equipment and they are cleaned according to emission regulations. The cracker, which follows after the storage basin, extracts the oil and separates it into petroleum, gasoline, kerosene, diesel, and fuel oil. These different substances are conducted into separate tanks. If valuable materials like used tires and plastics are used as starting materials, there will also be bitumen as a residue. Depending on the starting materials, carbon or carbon and steel remain within the reactor. After completing the reaction period, the reactor is disconnected from the conduit of tubes and extracted from the thermal furnace. Immediately afterwards, the thermal furnace is charged with a new reactor, which is instantly subjected to the same process. After completing the cooling cycle, the reactor is discharged. The resulting substances then reach the sorting where the steel is extracted using magnetism. The carbon is extracted by suction and then packed. Our procedure makes it possible to take the basic materials apart using an industrial method that is free of emissions, without causing depositable residual waste. Our procedure works as a closed system in low temperature ranges. Advantages: environment-friendly resource recovery and energy generation, production that is free of emissions, can be set up decentrally, realization of concept of short ways. Because of its modular design, the installation can be extended anytime. Economic acquisition of basic materials. Exceptionally high added value through true recycling.